Evidence 7. Talking about Logistic by Joan Sebastián Gómez. National Learning Service Sena, Palmira, 2020. Improved Logistic Efficiency. Principal ideas. Logistic Efficiency Service 2. To facilitate sustained and robust growth, continuous improvement is necessary. The results of the companies have challenged when a cost of experience increases. Minimizing cost, full utilizing products in capacity, and improving the consumer's experience are strategies to optimize success. Here are 4 methods to increase logistic efficiency. Maximize storage. This requires implementing storage producers. By analyzing and implementing these procedures, products can be stored and shipped efficiently. Also, analyze orders patterns to ensure fast delivery of products. Optimize transportation. To reduce transportation costs, it is necessary to examine the factors that promoted the increase and decrease of expenses. For this it is advised reducing the packing of the products to have optimal size and weight. Plan a route where trucks carry full loads. Identify and use more probable packing and shipping methods. Automatized communication technologies. The software is question allows optimal communication between warehouse and customs departments. With this is the possible to deliver updates to the client. Encourage feedback. Carefully consider staff comments and suggestions of practice to improve it. Now, Six Sigma Theory. The Six Sigma is a control and distribution tool for the variation of processes whose main purpose is to achieve customer satisfaction. Its focus on understanding the needs, collecting information, and through satisfactory physical analysis trees to constantly improve. Application guidelines. It is applied as a project to be carried out, almost always based on a purpose to generate scopes and advanced results, or simply to functions to problems, process and objectives to reduce the defect rate less than 3.44 million. Focus. Focus on reduce variance. Lean thinking theory. It tries to create value and reduce waste to reduce the many costs of a company and improve the operation producing counting of good efficiency and quality. Application guidelines. First and all, measurements must be taken into account to carry out continuous improvement. For that it must be observed, analyzed, and measured what is concrete, valued, and discarded to useless or some. Things that generate costs but that are not attributed anything to the operations. Focus. Its focus on waste disposal. Theory of constraints. Theory. It is made up of interdependent elements and that act in a chain. The system can only be as strong as it works clean. That is, the restrictions are bottlenecks. It is quality are series of links extruding dependence of each other. Application guidelines. The persistent application is process and business environment of absolutely powerful implication. Business organization and more or less complex system where and it eliminating introduce objectives that yield meaning to the company economic development base of the generation of value. Focus. If we focus on the limitation, the volume of performance will improve. Similarities and difference between the improvement programs. The design of the product or service is essentially correct. The design of the product or service is the most economical. The customers often are satisfied with the design. The correct configuration of the products meets a functional requirement of the markets and the consumers. The management structure supports and nurtures change. Obstacles to the improvement methodologies. They address manager the theory as a secondary or theory issues. They do not address policies, neither formals nor informals. They do not address how managers are measured and rewards for process improvements. They do not address a general management and theory used by the organizations. They do not address the values of the organization.